Hey YouTubers, this is going to be a very special fire alarm activation. For this one, I have a brake rod in my pole station, and I can't wait to activate it. So, here we go. You lift the cover, and pull down. I just silenced it, and now you are going to see the broken glass on the inside. See how it broke? Where there's one big piece and a few smaller pieces. So now, to reset it, before I close it, push that back up, close it, lock it, and close the cover. And now the alarm has been reset, and that was me breaking a brake bar.